Always looks like somebody I would like to get. You can see my straw. I don't drink coffee. I drink lemon water all day, every day, pretty much. Well, not, I usually drink lemon water in the morning and then just water for the rest of the day. Yeah, I'm not a coffee drinker. I tried, although, ooh, guys, I tried the new Valentine's Day drink from Dunk's. It's the velvet, pink velvet latte, I think it was. Oh my gosh, it was so good, but it made me feel so sick. I don't know if it was because it has espresso in it and my body's like, what the fuck is this? I don't know, but it made me feel so sick. I was so just like dizzy the rest of the day and I just felt blah. The drink tasted amazing, but I don't know. Can you get it without espresso? Actually, you probably can't even get it anymore because it was a Valentine's Day drink, but it made me feel so sick. Is anyone else like that? I don't drink caffeine, so when my body has it, it's like, what the hell's going on? Ah! Okay, anyway, today, this is annoying, it's annoying. Okay, there we go. Today, we're gonna do an Ulta haul. I purchased some things from Ulta online. You know what? I just realized I didn't get my friggin' birthday gift. Ulta's annoying now with the birthday gift. You can't just go in. Like, Sephora, you can just go in and get your birthday gift. Like, just show me like your little card thing. But Ulta, you have to have the friggin' coupon that they email you. And I didn't have that when I went to Ulta. So I don't know if I can still get my birthday gift. My birthday was last Wednesday. I think actually, or maybe it's Sephora, you have 2 weeks after your birthday to get it. Anyway, so I got a couple of these things in store and then I got the rest online. I'll show you guys what I got in store first. So if you haven't seen my latest Mascara Monday episode, I talked about the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I personally thought it was a horrible mascara, so I ended up returning it. I got this mascara instead. It's from IT Cosmetics. It's the IT Lash Blowout mascara, and I guess it's like a collaboration with Dry Bar. This was the same price as the Too Faced one. It was $25. It says 19 times your volume. 19 times your volume. What if you don't have any volume with your lashes? 19 times 0 is 0. 93% say it keeps lashes looking voluminous all day. 93% says does not flake. So I'm gonna do a Mascara Monday episode on this, but I do want to show you guys what the actual mascara looks like because it looks really cute. It's like a little brush, you know, like a blowout brush. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm excited to do a Mascara Monday episode on this guy. I'm hoping it works. I really love the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara. That's what it's called. I really like that one. I think that one is definitely worth the price. So hopefully this one is too. I get a little nervous when companies do like collabos like that, you know, I just get a little nervous, but we'll see. Moving on to my online order. I got this hairspray from Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Coconut Milk and White Jasmine hairspray. I got the medium hold. I don't really use hairspray too often, but I do like to have a hairspray around for the times that I do need it. And I love Beauty and Planet. This is my favorite companies ever. I actually have 2 of their bath bombs right here. This is the best scent. Oh my gosh, I can smell it just holding it up. Oh, I love it. Coconut water and mimosa flower. This is the best scent ever. This smells really good too. It's coconut milk and white jasmine. It smells really good. Okay, next I got another mascara from Beauty Bakery. I've never purchased anything from Beauty Bakery before, and I figured why not have my first item be a mascara. So I got the Eyelash Icing Black Mascara. I will definitely do a Mascara Monday episode on this. Let me just take it out and show you guys what it looks like. It comes in a little tube, which is super cute. So cute. I will have everything that I mentioned in this video linked down below if you want to purchase it. Next, I got the Bliss Makeup Melt Makeup Remover Wipes. These are like right up there with my Neutrogena hydrating wipes. These ones are definitely a close second. They're pretty affordable too. I think they're like $7 or $8 for 30 wipes. I got 2 face masks. They're both from Freeman. The first one is the French Pink Clay Peel Off Mask. It says it's pore clearing. I really like peel off masks as opposed to wash off masks. I don't know, I just think they're fun. I don't know. But I've never tried this one before. It says smooth skin for glowing complexion. Let's see what it smells like. It has a very like perfumey scent. Ooh. I mean, it smells good, but I don't know if I want this on my face. It's a really strong scent. The other mask that I got is the Cosmic Holographic Peel Off Mask in Hydrating Amethyst. This mask, the color is so, so pretty. I don't know if you can see on the tube right there, but it's like a holographic, hold on, let me just, it's like a holographic purple. It's so pretty. And this one smells like really fresh. Ooh, I'm excited to use this one. I'm probably gonna use this one tonight, actually. I love Freeman masks. I actually have another one right here. This is the green tea and orange blossom. Again, a peel off mask. My favorite one that they make, I don't have it down here. Actually, I do, I lied. Is the cucumber one. I have like 3 of these upstairs. I didn't know this guy was hiding over here. I have so many of these. I got 2 of the NYX Butter Glosses. If you have not tried these are seriously my favorite, like, lip glosses ever. Like my favorite, like, tinted lip glosses, if you will. I got creme brulee and tiramisu. So this is creme brulee, this is tiramisu. I recently did a makeup clear out, makeup purge, whatever you want to call it, where I got rid of a lot of my makeup, and I had to throw out a lot because it was so old. I had to throw out a lot of my NYX Butter Glosses. So I am buying my favorites again, and these 2 are definitely favorites. I'm actually gonna put creme brulee on right now. It is such a pretty like peachy pink color. And these are so moisturizing, like seriously, the best lip glosses ever. And they're super affordable. They're like $5.99. Another product from NYX. This is the NYX BB Cream. I love, love, love this stuff so much. I got it because the warmer months are coming, and I like to wear BB creams in the warmer months. I don't like to like cake on my foundation. I have to sneeze. Gee, this in the color Natural. This only comes in, I think, 2 colors or maybe 3 colors. I know it comes in Natural and Nude. I think it's only 2 colors, so that's kind of a bummer. This is actually the darker color, Natural, and it's like perfect for my skin tone, and my skin tone is not dark at all. So that's the only frustrating thing. Maybe NYX, you should make more colors in this BB cream because it's amazing. 2 nail polishes. First is the color that's on my nails right now. They're looking rough, so we'll just look at them from afar. It's by Essie. It's called Smokin' Hot, and it's a really pretty like purpley grayish color. It's so pretty. I love it. And then the next color I got, this is probably my favorite nail polish color of all time. It's OPI's Mod About You. This is the perfect pink. I'm actually gonna paint my nails this color probably tonight. But it is seriously, it's just so perfect. It's like a neon baby pink. I say neon because it's like bright, but it's like a light pink. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Does my hair make sense today? No, it doesn't, but we're just going with it. So yeah, love this color. Probably my 4th or 5th bottle of this color, and that's very rare for me to go through nail polish colors. I change my nails a lot, so for there to be a color that I buy multiple bottles of, that's very rare. This color and Tan Lines by Sinful Colors, love them. I got this from First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Water Cream, or Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. I got this in a sample. I think it was in a couple of Sephora Play bags. I don't get Sephora Play anymore. I stopped that because I just, I don't know, it wasn't really that good. But yes, I got this multiple times and I loved it. I didn't want to purchase the big one because it was $36, and like looking at this, I honestly thought this was going to be bigger. This is 50 milliliters, so 36 bucks for this. I don't know, I thought this would be bigger. This will last me a little while. Oh, the smell is divine. This is such a great moisturizer. It's super lightweight, but it's super moisturizing. It's really good for dry skin. I am so excited to have that back in my life because I ran out of my samples like months ago, and I was always like, do I want to purchase the big one? Do I not? And I finally did. I got this guy from ColourPop. This is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I saw Kathleen Lights talk about this, and I trust her opinion. I do. She's one of the few. She's one of the few. I got the color Fair. I don't know if this is going to match me. I don't know. Do they have a foundation? Do they have a Pretty Fresh foundation? I don't think they do. They might. I don't think they do. They might. I don't know, maybe. But I ran out of my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, which is like my favorite concealer of all time. That in the Hard Candy Glamouflage Concealer, really great. But those are like heavy duty concealers, and I wanted a more, this might be heavy duty, I don't know. I wanted a more lightweight concealer. Yeah, this seems like it's kind of more lightweight. Actually, that color won't be too bad. You can't see. My lights are bleh. Whoa, it just got really bright. What happened? Hello. Right, 2 more products, and they're both lip products. This is from MAC. This is just their lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I had this years ago. This is like OG Beauty Guru color. It's just a really pretty nude color. But yeah, I wanted it back in my life. I was like, hey, you need to come back in my life. And it's back. Okay, so I said NYX Butter Gloss is my favorite lip glosses ever, and that's true. If I'm looking for color and just like comfort, then I will go for my NYX Butter Glosses. If I'm looking for like super wet looking lips, like super moisturized looking lips, then I pull out my Kopari lip glossies. Yeah, because it's called the Kopari Lip Glossy. So this one is in Birthday Suit, and I actually already have this one, but I wanted to get a backup. It's a really pretty like champagne color. I also have the just regular gloss. It's like just like a clear gloss. It's in a red and white tube. I actually have like 3 of those. I first heard about these from Jaclyn Hill, and usually I don't give in to the YouTube hype. Like, I trust Kathleen Light's opinion, and you know, I don't really trust Jaclyn Hill's opinion, but for some reason when she talked about these lip glosses, she was just so convincing. I'm like, maybe I believe her. And she was right, you guys. These lip glossies are amazing. This color is so pretty. Like I said, it's just like a really pretty champagne color. These are kind of pricey. I think this is like 20 something bucks, but it's totally worth it. I'm gonna put this on my lips right now over my NYX. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks like I just have what? Can you see? Can you see? It looks like I literally just drenched water on my lips. Like, seriously, if you have not tried these, you need to. I think there's another one too. There's like a sheer reddish color, I think, but it's not really my type of lip that I like to wear. I gave into the hype, and I'm glad that I did because it's amazing. So that is everything that I got at Ulta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link things down below if you want to purchase anything. I will be doing Mascara Monday episodes on those 2 mascaras, so look for that. I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.